Eclipse.net is a fully web-based library management system. Therefore, it can be accessed from any web browser, giving you anytime, anywhere access. Eclipse is also accessible on your mobile or tablet device by downloading our IMLS application. This offers students, parents and staff instant access from mobile devices and smartphones, ensuring you are offering 21st century access to your library and school resources. Eclipse can be hosted and managed by MLS or installed locally on your own servers. I'm now going to take you through a short demonstration of Eclipse.net. Welcome to the Eclipse homepage. This is the first page that you and your students will arrive at. The homepage is the ideal place to share what is happening in and around your library, as it instantly promotes your resources. We provide you with a selection of news areas. In the centre, we have the word cloud. This will show your most searched for words in the school. Students can actually click on a word to take them into the results. In the top 10, you can keep your students up to date with the top 10 most popular resources in school. A great way to further promote these items. Each time you add a new resource, Eclipse will display them straight away in new arrivals, instantly highlighting your latest new books. The Channels feature allows you to place links to recommended external online resources. These links can be split into different categories, such as for students, librarians, teachers, or for research. To the right is the Returns trolley, which automatically advises your students about recently returned resources. They can click on each item to find out more about that returned item in the central window. Book of the Week is a fantastic tool which allows you to promote an individual book to your students. The News column enables you to build your own collection of news items. These can be accessed individually from the list or by clicking on the newspaper icon, which enables you to turn the pages of your own news. Each time a new review has been written on one of your resources, whether this is a book or even a useful website, it is displayed here in Latest Reviews. Of course, all reviews need to be approved within management before you can share them with your students. To the left, we have Author's Corner, which enables students to search for video clips of authors talking about their books in their own words, and even take a look at signed stories. Signed Stories is a fantastic resource for SEND pupils and for driving literacy standards for deaf children. Who Next is a recommended reads tool built into Eclipse which automatically suggests similar fiction authors and titles that students may wish to read based upon their borrowing history. To the left, we have My Account. Here students can log in by simply typing in a username and password, or alternatively you can link Eclipse to Active Directory to allow single sign-on. Once logged in, your students can see an overview of their account. They can check to see if they have any overdue items, see what they currently have out on loan, look back at what they have taken out in the past, and also see if they owe any money and fines to the library. Finally, we have Personal Preferences. Students can click on the heart icon, which enables them to customize their Eclipse homepage by changing the theme and background to create a more personalized learning environment. Eclipse is also multilingual. Therefore, the system language can be configured on an individual student basis to open in their first language. I am now going to show you how students search for resources. When it comes to searching in Eclipse, we have something for everyone. The search bar will always be available at the top right-hand side of the screen, allowing students to complete a simple search at any time. We will now complete a search. By typing in art into the search bar, Eclipse will bring back the relevant results available. You can see a filter which shows the different resource types that have come up in your search. Books, relevant websites, textbooks, periodicals and journals. You can filter the search to not include resource types. For example, to exclude websites, simply unhighlight. If you highlight a book in the results, you will find more information on that item to the bottom half of the screen, including author and title and keyword information, a floor plan, who next, and more. Alternative ways of searching can be done by clicking on the Search tab. In Views, you can build your own collection of custom searches, such as book lists, topic searches, or collections of books with accelerated reader quizzes associated with them. Picture searches are pre-prepared searches ready to use. Your students will simply click on the picture to carry out the search. A to Z searching is useful if you have a student wanting to search for a particular author or title. Advanced search allows your students to complete a more advanced Boolean style search, a great tool to use when teaching information literacy skills. You have now seen Eclipse.net from a student's point of view. Therefore, I will now log out as a student and log in with full librarian administrator access. You can set varying levels of access in Eclipse. As the librarian, I have the highest level, meaning that I can see the management and circulate icons. I will now take you into management. Welcome to the management area of Eclipse.net. In this section of the demonstration, we will show you how to add a new resource to the system, how to circulate those resources, how to import your students, and also how you can preview the wide range of comprehensive reporting facilities we have available. As you can see, we have the main databases along the left-hand side, and the tools for those databases along the right-hand side. By default, I'm taken into the Resources database. To add a new resource to your catalogue, simply click New. You can see that Eclipse then provides you with a variety of resource types to choose from. I am going to add a book. Simply click on the book icon. Scan the barcode label inside of the book, and then scan the ISBN. Eclipse will then search our online database, Discovery Online, to acquire all of the bibliographical data for that title. As you can see, Discovery has found the title, Dewey classification number and keywords associated with the book. It also provides a detailed summary of the book and book cover image. Discovery Online data is part of the standard Eclipse package. Eclipse has been designed to be a whole school resource. Therefore, as well as being able to add books, you can also manage textbook loans from around the school. You can catalogue useful websites, and in addition to this, we include Corel Press's web links data. These are thousands of safe educational websites approved by other teachers and librarians. You can also track the loans of hardware, for example, laptop and digital camera loans, and also manage ebooks, including our own integrated ebook library solution using Overdrive, and lots more. I'm now going to move over into the borrowers database. The borrowers database lists details of each individual borrower within your Eclipse library management system, and adding these borrowers is very simple. You can import students from your MIS using our Borrower Import module, or you can use MLS Connect, which is a module designed to automatically update your students throughout the year. You can schedule this to run automatically on a daily, weekly, or even monthly basis. It will carry over as much or as little information as required. This is the Circulate area of Eclipse. Here you can issue, return, and renew resources. To access a borrower account in Circulate, you can use library cards, biometrics, or by simply typing in the borrower's name or number. Eclipse can also integrate with the various cashless catering systems on the market. Please ask your MLS account manager if you'd like more information on this. Reporting is very straightforward in Eclipse. There are various ways of generating information very quickly. Firstly, we have the library dashboard, which gives you instant statistics on your library. You can find out all about your library trends. For example, male library usage versus female library usage over a period of time. You can also discover information on library trends across the whole of the hosted Eclipse and Junior Librarian community. For example, the top 100 most popular fiction books for boys over the past 3 months or even 12 months. This kind of information can help you make more informed purchases. We have also compiled a large selection of pre-prepared reports in Eclipse. You can simply select the report needed and Eclipse will generate the report automatically based on your data. Within each database, you have the ability to create your own views to give you further information in those specific areas. For example, we can visit the Resources database to access views, select Books Never Borrowed, and instantly see a list of items never borrowed from your library. Finally, we have the Schedule tool within Eclipse. Schedule has been designed to take care of some of the regular tasks that need to be carried out, such as creating group or individual overdue reminders, which can be scheduled to occur on a weekly, fortnightly or monthly basis and can then be printed or emailed. You can also schedule imports of other data, such as web links, fact file, Who Next, signed stories and the Newspaper for Schools database. This completes a brief overview of what Eclipse.net has to offer. Thank you for listening and watching. If you require any further information or if you'd like to arrange a live product demonstration, please contact one of our MLS account managers on 0161 449 9357.